To get a quick overview of where your slide is being published, you can open up the Details panel and preview the playlist that the slide is currently assigned to. Or head to the Playlist Manager to view all of the slides that are currently being published on screen. In this view, you can edit and rearrange the order of slides using drag and drop, or remove the slide from the playlist. Switch to the Add tab to add more slides to your playlist. A slide can be added multiple times to a single playlist, open this tab to share this playlist in a new location, and then find the devices or locations that you want to add this playlist to. All of the changes that you make here are auto-saved and will appear on screen within 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's take a look at some of the high-level settings. In the Admin console, you can use the Playlist Manager to rename a playlist, create a new playlist, and manage the users who can access this playlist in the portal.